I've got 2 packets of already seasoned pulled pork, 2 cans of baked beans. I'm using 2 different kinds. I'm using country style and a maple and brown sugar. Is it maple and brown sugar? No, it's maple and cured bacon. That gets all dumped in on top. I start with one, then do the other. I could have bought just 1 big can, but then I would have only had 1 flavor. We're just gonna kind of mix it all together. Super simple, right? Once you've got all this mixed together, a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack, and that's gonna go right on top. You can use the thick cut or the regular shredded, whichever is good for you. Okay, so once you've got this put together, then we're going to do, look at this. It's like a cornbread, almost looks like a cinnamon roll, but it's cornbread. And hopefully you'll pop open. There we go. And then these are shaped just like cinnamon rolls. You just kind of tear them right at the perforation and just pop them right on top of the cheese, just like that. This is half a stick of melted butter, so it's like, what, 4 tablespoons, and some parsley to the butter. Mix this all together. And you can just brush this right on top of each cornbread roll. Does that look good? We're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Hey guys, look at how it turned out. Let's do this one right here. Can't wait to cut into this and try this like barbecue pork and beans, all that cheese, and then that cornbread topper. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna try not to burn my mouth. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the cornbread and the baked beans. That might be too big a bite. Oh, here we go. It looks so hot and steamy. Oh my God, it's delicious. That cornbread, it's a nice touch. I like that it comes in a pre-made dough. But yeah. It's a really good meal, super quick, easy to make. Don't even need to use a knife. So yeah, give this a shot.